be everything it was, and this will be.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I don't have an instant noodle. I've got the third of the Buldak curries that came by way of the Fat Hipster. Go check him out on YouTube. This one's a Rendang, and it's chicken Rendang. I've never heard that. And it's a funky looking day outside. This goes in the water and sits there and boils for 3 minutes. I will let you watch that. This new feature of the show for 2024. God only knows what kind of crap you guys are dealing with at this point. I'm sure it's all ridiculous. But, yeah. There we are, boiling our Buldak curry. Beautiful Ramen Raider video game cabinet in the background for you to enjoy and look at. And tomorrow is the first Republican primary debate. Of course, his nibs won't be there. Probably one of the smarter things he's done. He's like got so many, like, I think he's got like gag orders and all sorts of stuff going on. He had to pay bond, $200,000 bond, which seems kind of weird. It's like, I don't know exactly what that was for, but yeah. I don't know, if I had my own private jet, I probably wouldn't get to, you know, kind of a flight risk, isn't it? You can just fly away. Yeah, I don't know. But Thursday is the Fulton County thing, and Mr. Trump will get the booking and the fingerprinting and all that stuff. Which I think is good. I mean, it's just like, hey, you know, if everybody's got to get treated the same way. It's only fair. That's not fair. He's different. No, he's not. He is different. I'll give you that. But I think it's. I think everybody should get the same treatment, even if they're that guy. Yeah, all right, almost ready. So do you like watching this water boil? This is kind of fun for me, honestly. It's really not a heavy lift, as it were. You can see water boiling. A quivering bag. Possibly a child in the background. Making noise, as is her way. Playing with the balloon. Alright, and there we are. It has boiled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plate this sucker, and then I'll take the pretty pictures, and then I'll let you see how it looks. Out of the kitchen, no more balloons. You're killing me with the balloons. Just like constant balloon here. Right about there. Got some nice basmati. Being Rendang, I don't know if jasmine would have been more apt, but I don't have any of that. So I don't know how I can help you. Maybe I should start putting my laser show over there. That might be the requirement now. There. It's like I can't grasp the side walls of the bag as they are molten lava at this point. It's kind of thin. It's in there. And I'm reserving my last egg, my last fried egg rather, for the next one, which will be, of course, a mee goreng. So I've got to use a softie. And I'm going to use a softie. Although these didn't come out incredibly soft, but they're not bad. The eggs ain't bad. I really like, these are the Happy Egg Heritage Edition or whatever. I've become a bit of an egg aficionado, and you get what you pay for with eggs. That's the one thing I've really found. And if you get eggs that the more expensive ones, I think it's because of what they're feeding them. I was told that if you feed a chicken better, their shells come out better. Hence, better shell, better experience when peeling, blah, 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 blah. My daughter's making horrible, horrible noises today. And since it's rendang, I'm going to go with some fried onion. Just like a little mountain of it right in the middle. Yeah. And maybe, do I want to add sesame seed? A tinge. That's enough. What do you think? I hope you think so. So I will do a little rotato. I haven't been doing rotato with these, but I think that since this is the last one, I'll do a little rotato. Just a little. And then I will run over there, take pictures, and then be back. One moment, kind folk. All right, thank you for your patient waiting. So we are back and going to try this. It's hard to eat things while they're rotating. I don't know if you've ever tried, but it's kind of difficult. So I'm going to halt the rotation. Let's... These are the curry. They've been differing levels of heat. The vindaloo seemed to be the spiciest. The butter chicken wasn't the spiciest. This one I'm going to say is probably the least spicy. However, I'm going to say that I think that this one is actually, while the least spicy, probably the tastiest one. This one's quite good. Curry. Yeah, I like good curry. This isn't bad. The spicy kind of creeps up a little bit, but if you like Buldak, you'll be like, oh, this isn't like death spicy. But there is meat in it. Yeah. Well, that was enjoyable. Holy cow. Oh yeah, I do have one more to do today. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day and your curry. Have a good one. Bye-bye.